As far as our delegation is concerned, it is our expectation that we are here to deliberate and contribute candidly on the various agenda items of the meeting that we've just adopted and formulate a set of outcomes that is workable, which will achieve the desired outcomes for our communities and ready for presentation to our ministers when they meet on Friday. As stated by Papua New Guinea, we believe that the meeting will provide the opportunity for us to share our country's experiences on environment and climate change initiatives, and also ensure that there is information sharing of best practices and lessons learned among members. In this regard, as I have alluded to earlier, we thank the development partners who are here to help us in terms of our deliberations. Finally, I wish to take this time to also thank the Secretariat for all the support that they have given to the meeting, for all the papers and all the policy advice thus far. We welcome also the developments as raised by the Secretariat of the recruitment process in terms of the advisor who will be joining us shortly. For that is a welcome news as far as the Fiji delegation is concerned. In our statement, we also wish to highlight probably a point of note for the Secretariat. We would be grateful in our future meetings if papers could be submitted as early as possible to allow consultations among members so that we could contribute meaningfully to the meetings in the future. With that, Mr. Chairman, thank you and welcome to all members again. Naka.